Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on Verasity. Recently on the daily time frame chart, the price and of Verasity has formed another down channel. You can see that for the past several days, it is moving inside this channel. We had a bounce here, stable ejections here, then we had another bounce here, rejection, and now recently the price and it's once again bounced very well from the support of this channel. Right now, it is trying to break out this long-term resistance of $0.0035. That was recently working as support here, resistance here. And now again, for the past few days, it is breaking as a resistance. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this previous down channel breakout and the breakout from this descending triangle. And we will also take a look at this very huge and massive breakout that is happening here on this 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for LDO, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 24th of January 2024 with my members at 2025 a few days ago. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very massive rally, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Veracity. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it is moving nicely inside this down channel, forming lower lows and lower highs. We had a bounce here, rejection here, then we formed at a lower than previous low, another lower than previous low, then we had nice bounce rejected and formed at the lower high here, lower low, and recently you can see that the price is once again bounced very well from the support. Right now it's struggling to break out this resistance of $0.0035. In case of breaking out this resistance, it can hit the resistance of the down channel, approximately here at $0.0041. By the way, this is a bullish bias pattern. Therefore, there are more chances for the breakout rather than breaking down the support. And in case of breaking it out, the technical target will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $0.0082. And almost there, we also have the target for the breakout from this descending triangle. As well, you can see that on this daily time frame chart, we have already broken out this descending triangle. And let me to show the target for the breakout from this triangle as well. We broke out the triangle from here. And if we place it here, then almost at this resistance of $0.0095, we have the target for the breakout from this triangle, slightly higher than the target for the breakout from this channel. By the way, at $0.0095, we have a very strong resistance that was recently breaking as support here and resistance here. And then let me to show you on the 7 days time frame chart, then it will be more visible. You can see that this $0.0095 and this resistance here, this resistance of $0.0095 has been previously breaking as a support here, resistance here, and before that, it has been working as a support here. Back in the month of May 2021, we had a bounce here. Then we had another bounce here from the support of $0.0095. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Veracity. Now, if you take a look at the target for the breakout from this down channel, because we have already broken out this down channel as well, that move is also still due. That target can be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 1.5 cents and slightly higher than this target, we have another very strong and long-term resistance of 1.7 cents as well. By the way, this 1.7 cents has been previously working as a very strong support, and now after the breakdown, it can be working as a strong resistance for the price line of Veracity. Now here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And after the breakout, we had a nice pump, but the price line could not break out this resistance of 1.7 cents. Therefore, it could not continue this rally and got stuck inside this a channel, then got stuck inside this triangle, and now recently it is stuck inside in another down channel. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 9 cents and 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.